Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am super excited to be here with you today. My name is Roma Baudouin and I am a Mary Kay beauty consultant, have been for, over 15 years. Today I am showing you the June look of the month, which is called Beach Bronze Beauty. These colors are fantastic. So this is the eye colors in the look. This is our limited edition Golden Glow highlighter, which is super fun. So I've just paired them together because they are amazing. These are, so it's six of our neutral eyeshadows, which are absolutely beautiful. There are 3 shimmer shades and 3 matte shades. These are really, really great if you like that neutral look, or browns and neutral colors are your go-to. This is a perfect opportunity to take advantage of that. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do 2 different looks this month. And this first look, we are going to use the shimmer shades. So let me go through the shades first. We've got Biscotti, Hazelnut, Gold Status, Shiny Penny, Burnished Bronze, and Mahogany. So that's what we're looking at. And today we're going to use Gold Status, Shiny Penny, and Burnished Bronze. So we'll keep it really, really simple today. I want to do my vertical stripes. So that is what we're going to do today with our shimmer look. And I'm going to grab that Gold Status on my all over eyeshadow brush. So I haven't done one of these vertical stripes in a while, so that's exciting. I'm gonna get my little mirror set up here so I can see what I'm doing. And we'll start with that Gold Status in the inner third of the eyelid. This is perfect for beach days, summer get-togethers, brunch on the patio, all those things. And the shimmer shades really just take it up a notch. So if you are normally a matte person and you wear the shimmer, then you actually take this whole look into like glamour status, which is super fun. Second color we're using is Shiny Penny. Same brush, and we're just gonna place this in the middle of the eyelid. And shimmer eyeshadows, pearlescent eyeshadows, they are all on trend right now for the summer. So that's always good too. And then the last color is Burnished Bronze. Same brush, and this is gonna go in the outer lid. Really simple eye color look. Isn't that great? I'm gonna use my big fluffy blending brush to blend all those together so we don't have any crazy lines. Just like that. I'm gonna line it. Brown eyeliner would be great with this. I'm gonna use my black. It's kind of my go-to. And if it's truly a beach or pool day, then you'll probably want waterproof mascara. But today I'm gonna use my go-to favorite, the Panorama. This is such a nice look. I love it. Just a little bit of shimmer to start your summer off. And fits nicely in our perfect palette. So of course our eye colors and our cheek colors and the limited edition highlighter just magnetizes right in, so it stays put. If you want to take it with you, or when it's swimming around in your drawer. There is my look. I've got a little bit of cheek color on, and I've got some perfect beach bronze lip gloss on as well to complete the look. But that is what the shimmer shades look like in the Beach Bronze Beauty look of the month. Thanks for joining me.